Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Cop Lights is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any truck owner looking to enhance both safety and visibility, especially when navigating challenging conditions or working in low-light environments. These powerful lighting solutions are designed to cut through the darkness, ensuring you can see and be seen, making them an indispensable tool for a variety of professional and personal applications, from emergency services to off-road adventures. Number 5. Emergency Vehicle Dash Warning Strobe Light. Equipped with 16 high-intensity LEDs, this light ensures your vehicle is seen from up to a quarter mile away, day or night. Its powerful illumination cuts through any conditions. Enjoy enhanced durability with an upgraded PCB that prevents overheating and remembers your last used flash pattern. It boasts a lifespan of over 50,000 hours while using less power. Choose from 18 distinct flashing modes to effectively alert others to your presence. Whether pulsing or alternating, these patterns provide clear visual signals. Designed for 12-volt DC systems, it easily plugs into your vehicle's cigarette lighter socket. Mounted on your dash, windshield, or rear window with adjustable angles. This compact light delivers powerful warning signals without taking up much space. Its efficient design ensures reliable performance for any emergency situation. What we like. This compact light offers exceptional brightness, ensuring your vehicle is seen from a great distance. With 18 distinct flashing patterns, you can choose the perfect alert for any situation. If you need a versatile and reliable warning light for your dash or windshield, this is an excellent choice for everyday use. What people say. The brightness is amazing, it lights up the whole road. Easy to install, took me less than 10 minutes. The flashing patterns are really cool and customizable. Number 4. SpeedTech Lights K-Force Elite 47 Full-Size LED Light Bar. Introducing the K-Force Elite 47, a full-size LED light bar designed for maximum visibility. Its high-powered LED technology ensures you're seen when it matters most. Customize your warning signals with 34 distinct flash patterns, including directional and warning modes. Its dual memory feature allows for quick switching between your favorite configurations. This light bar provides complete 360 degrees warning coverage. It also features integrated takedown, alley, and traffic advisor modes for versatile operation, all controlled by the included Supreme control box. Setting it up is a breeze. With universal mounting brackets and an 11-foot cable, you can easily install it on any emergency, construction, or fleet vehicle. Engineered for professional use, its weatherproof and shatter-resistant housing ensures durability. Enjoy peace of mind with a 5-year warranty and an impressive lifespan of up to 100,000 hours. What we like. Experience unparalleled visibility with this high-powered, full-size light bar. Its advanced dual memory and 34 flash patterns offer incredible flexibility for professional use. If you're operating a police, fire, EMS, or tow truck and require comprehensive, powerful warning coverage, this light bar is designed for you. What people say. The lights are very bright and visible even in daylight. Easy to install, took me about 15 minutes. The flashing patterns are great, and they are very noticeable. Number 3. XRIDONSEN 2-in-1 Strobe Lights. Introducing the XRIDONSEN 2-in-1 Strobe Lights. These lights feature high-intensity LEDs for maximum visibility, ensuring your vehicle is noticed in any condition, day or night. They are built to last over 50,000 hours. Choose from 18 different flash patterns to alert others to your presence. These patterns include pulsing and alternating effects, and the last used pattern is remembered for your convenience. Installation is a breeze with the included 6 suction cups. Mounted directly to your windshield or dash for a secure fit. It can be placed on the front windshield or rear window. Designed with a dual switch for easy power and pattern control, it plugs into any 12V cigarette adapter in your vehicle. This makes it incredibly versatile for cars and trucks. Each of the 2 light bars measures 7.16 inches and contains 16 bright LEDs. The wiring is designed for easy connection, ensuring a hassle-free setup. What we like. This set provides bright, high-intensity warning lights that are incredibly easy to install. The 18 selectable flash patterns, including memory recall, offer great versatility for various situations. If you're looking for a simple, no-fuss solution for interior windshield or dash warning lights on your car or truck, this is a perfect fit. What people say. The brightness is really good, and the flashing pattern is very eye-catching. Installation was straightforward, and the lights fit perfectly on my truck. The build quality feels solid, and they seem durable enough for off-road use. Number 2. Xprite Multicolor LED Hideaway Strobe Lights Kit. Introducing our new Covert Series Hideaway Strobe Lights. They are designed for high brightness and clear visibility, greatly improving your vehicle's presence on any worksite. Effortlessly switch between 20 different flash patterns with our quick mode control system. You can easily select directional patterns with dedicated buttons. These lights offer a universal fit for all utility vehicles. As long as your vehicle has a 12V power source, they are ready to go. Installation is a breeze. They easily replace traditional hideaway strobes using an existing 1-inch hole in your headlights, fog lights, or taillights. Need more? Extension wiring harnesses and replacement bulbs are available separately. Please ensure compatibility with our Xprite 52013 Covert Series kit. What we like. These Covert strobe lights are designed for discreet yet powerful warning. With 20 flash modes and a hideaway design that requires a 1-inch hole for mounting, they integrate seamlessly. If you need to enhance visibility on construction, towing, or snow-plow trucks without an obtrusive light bar, these are an ideal, professional solution. What people say. The lights are very bright and visible even in daylight. Easy to install and wire up, took me about 30 minutes. The magnetic base is strong and holds the lights securely to the roof. Number 1. CUMART 4788 LED Emergency Warning Light Bar. Experience extreme brightness with our high-intensity LED light bar. It delivers powerful illumination, ensuring maximum visibility in any situation. Designed with an IP65 waterproof rating, this light bar is built to endure harsh conditions. It's anti-collision, anti-dust, and splash-proof, ready to perform in the rain. This universal light bar fits most DC 12V, 24V vehicles with a mounting roof. Installation is straightforward, making it ideal for a wide range of applications. Choose from 13 distinct flashing modes to suit your needs. The convenient switch button allows for easy control, and it even remembers your last pattern. Enjoy quick, instant startup with low power consumption. This efficient design ensures reliable performance without draining your vehicle's battery. Perfect for emergency workers, construction crews, and anyone needing a reliable warning light. It's the highest quality solution for transport and construction safety. What we like. This low-profile, high-intensity light bar offers robust performance for demanding environments. Its IP65 waterproof rating ensures reliability in harsh weather conditions. If you work in construction, transport, or need a dependable hazard light for your truck or car, especially in outdoor or adverse conditions, this light bar is built to last. What people say. The brightness is incredible, it lights up the entire road ahead. Installation was surprisingly easy, took me less than 15 minutes. The beam pattern is very focused, no scattered light. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.